I had somebody ask me that they and their spouse had a dispute about putting their money in the same account together, a joint account. The husband said, I prefer to have separate accounts. My money in my account, your money in your account. The wife was a bit upset about that, because to her, if we love each other and we spend our time together, our life together, we should have a joint account. We're one. Both of them have a good point. But the husband said, no, keep them separate, and I will continue spending on you. If you want to spend, you're very welcome. So when they had that dispute, I said to that sister, Wallahi, I agree with your husband this way, it's a better option. She said, why? I said, for example, later on, someone passes away, you're able to calculate the money better. Who inherits what? So if God forbid, for example, so we're going to die. So let's say the husband died before you. At least you'll know what his wealth is, and then you'll know what your share is, what your children's share is, and so on. If you passed away before him, at least they'll know exactly what your property is, and each one get their fair share. She said, well, what if we put it in a joint account? Can we calculate it? I said, in that case, you're going to have to half it. Doesn't matter who earns what, but the problem is that then you're going to dispute. And so, oh, he used to earn more than you, or used to earn more than him. No, if you put them together, it means it's 50-50. If you're not going to do that, each one separate account, share your wealth if you wish, but if somebody passes away, at least you know what the share of inheritance is. Keep it clear. You can do that if you like.